Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to share with you one of my favorite tricks for taking a flat project and giving it that extra wow factor, dimension. I'll be showing you how I used fussy-cut images from my paper collection to create a Memorydex card that just pops off the base. If you've ever looked at your project and thought it was missing something, this little technique is going to change everything. So here's the thing, fussy cutting by itself is great, but when you start layering and raising those pieces, that's when the magic happens. What I like to do is cut out several elements from the papers, like characters, flowers, banners, and little details. Then, I start by laying a few flat against the base. After that, I pick some of the pieces that I want to really stand out, like this cute mama bunny or the banner, and I adhere them using foam dots or a small bit of chipboard behind it. This lifts the piece up just enough so it casts a shadow and gives the whole project that dimensional look. To make it even more fun, you can overlap pieces, tuck smaller details behind larger ones, and mix in things like flowers, charms, or enamel dots. What happens is your eye moves around the card, noticing all those little layers, and that's what gives your project personality and life. If you'd like to try these exact papers that I used today, you can find them on my website, decorateyourlife.com. I also have other collections and craft supplies there that I think you'll love. I'll leave the link below so you can check it out when you're ready. Thanks so much for spending some creative time with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more tutorials and inspiration. And until next time, happy crafting!
Early morning skies are clear, paper packs and joy appear, fussy cuts and washi tape, mini tags in every shape. Gingham bows and die-cut flair, vintage lace and love to spare, Memorydex and vellum too. We craft the world in pastel hue, so come along and craft.